Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'd like to show you how to create a glowing text effect using just the basic features in Affinity. You don't need any complicated or fancy techniques, just a few layer effects and some simple tricks and you're good to go. Let's begin. I'll grab the R6 text tool and add some text. I'm going to go with space. I'll change the font, change the color to white, scale it up a little, and move it to the center. Then I'll switch to the Move tool, make sure the text is still selected, go to Layer Effects, and turn on Auto Glow. On the right side, for blend mode, I'll leave it set to screen. I'll change the color first to light blue. Let me just fill in the hex code. And then copy it. I'm going to need it again later. Then I'll slide the radius to about this much, and the intensity just like this. Now I think the edges of the text look a bit too sharp for me. So I'll turn on the inner glow. I'll set the blend mode to multiply, go to color, and give it a similar light blue as the outer glow. Let me just paste the hex code I copied earlier. Then I'll adjust the radius and intensity until I get the look I'm going for. And the edges of our text look a bit smoother now, thanks to that matching inner blue color. Of course, these settings are completely flexible. Feel free to adjust them to whatever looks best for your design. Now I'll check Scale with Object right here and click Close. Next, I want to add even more glow to the text. So let me grab the Rectangle tool, draw one on the canvas, and make sure the color is the same light blue as the one we use on the outer glow and inner glow. If it's not, you can paste the hex code from before. I'll drag its layer below the text layer so it sits behind the text. Then I'll switch to the Corner tool, select all the corners of the rectangle, and drag one of the corners about this much. Then I'll grab the Move tool and move it to the center. With the rectangle still selected, I'll head to this icon, Filters, and choose Gaussian Blur. In the dialog box, I'll slide the radius all the way to the right to 100 pixels, so it becomes really blurry. Click Close. Then I'll make sure the layer is selected, then set the opacity to a little transparent, maybe 80 or 90%. Or I can also play with the blend mode to get different results. There are two blend modes I think work really well for these specific colors and backgrounds. Color dot with opacity set to 70% and hard light with opacity set to 90%. Again, it really comes down to your own preference. Just experiment with it and go with whichever one suits your design best. And that's everything on adding a glow effect to text in Affinity. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, a like and a share would mean a lot. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care and bye.